Fingerprint glass lock, framed glass door installation tutorial. Installation conditions: door frame width greater than 5 centimeters. Required tools: Phillips screwdriver, pliers, angle grinder, electric drill, ruler, and marker. Product packaging includes manual, main lock, secondary lock, accessory package, IC card. Draw a straight line at 1.2 to 1.5 meters on the door frame as the positioning line. Main lock installation: draw a horizontal line 2.3 centimeters from the positioning line. Draw a vertical line 3.6 centimeters from the frame of the glass door, form an intersection with the horizontal line. Using the above intersection as the starting point, draw a straight line 14.2 cm down. Draw a horizontal line at the end of the line 3.6 centimeters away from the door frame. Drill holes at 2 intersections and drill directly through the door frame. The straight line between the intersection points is cut for the purpose of putting in the cable. Screw the 2 handle screws into the front lock plate and tighten with the pliers. Pass the cable through the cable hole. Cut bamboo-shaped screws according to the thickness of the door frame. Screw the front lock and rear lock plates together. Connect the cable to the rear panel. Install the 4 screws on the side of the rear panel. Main lock installation completed. Secondary lock installation: use a screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the side of the secondary lock, and take out the iron plate. Position along the edge of the other door frame and align with the main lock. Tighten the M5 tapping screw according to the position. After installing the secondary lock case, screw on the 4 screws on the side. Install 4 AA batteries. Cover the battery cover. When the latch senses the door is closed, it will automatically pop up. 1 key unlock. Fingerprint ID successful. Open the door. The installation is complete.